The following segment is sponsored by Intermountain Healthcare and the Utah Department of Health.
Well, it is fall, but this is the perfect time to prepare for your spring garden. We have Megan Smith here, the Live Well Garden Manager at Orem Community Hospital with us. Okay, first of all, how did your first garden go?
It went great. We had a lot of success. A lot of people learned different tricks and experiences that they can improve their garden for next year too.
Okay, so what can we do now to prepare for spring?
Yeah, so you want to view fall as the beginning of your spring garden instead of just the end of your gardening season. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you get all the weeds out. No one likes weeds.
Right.
And so they'll turn to seed if you leave them in there. The roots will get deeper, and then your weeding efforts will double.
Okay, and they might be easier now that they're dying too.
Exactly.
So get them out before they go to seed and cause trouble for next year. Okay, also you need to prepare your soil.
Yep, you want to add organic matter. So as you're harvesting your plants, you can leave them to decompose in your garden bed, but you want to make sure you don't leave tomatoes or pepper plants because there's just too big of a risk for disease.
Tomatoes and peppers, huh? Okay.
Yeah. You want to make sure to add, along with the compost, you want to add mulch.
Okay.
And that keeps the moisture in as it gets colder.
Something to do with your leaves.
Yep, and you can shut up leaves, grass, you can lay that on top. Another trick is to add a living mulch or a cover crop, and it germinates really quickly, and as you till the ground, it breaks down really quickly, and that just helps keep the nutrients and everything in for the soil.
So you don't really need to have a compost, you can use what you have.
Exactly.
Okay, and what else? There's one more thing.
Yeah, you want to review your garden plans. So if you've either kept a journal or kind of documented throughout your season, you know, if your family liked a certain variety of tomatoes, make sure you plant those next year. If an area in your garden didn't do well because you had too much shade or too much sun, so just learn from what happened this garden experience, and then you can use that for spring.
To plan for spring and have it all ready to go.
Exactly.
Less work in the spring.
Yeah.
Okay, well thanks so much.
Yeah, of course.
Good advice. We'll put that little list for you on our website, KUTV.